Hello everybody and welcome back to a Animal Jam video. So this is going to be my second video and I hope you guys like it. So the reason why I have this top hat is I've been doing some adventures with my friends, like Snary and stuff, and I got this. This is just so you guys know, I am going to be doing a FNAF video, Five Nights at Freddy's video, with my friend Snary, and I'm going to go over to her house. So just so you guys know, right now, headphone users, beware. Just so you know, so you will not blame me if your ears get blasted out from our screens. And we're going to be playing Five Nights at Freddy's 2, because the first one, I mean, it's not that scary, to me at least. But to her, maybe, I don't know about her. What's this? Pretty much today we're just going to be playing some games and having a relaxing time. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I guess that's how it goes. I don't really know. Woo! That's cool. Yeah. I don't play a lot of games here, if you notice. I just usually, trade and stuff. Yeah. The only reason why I decided to do YouTube, because I just genuinely enjoyed it. And I hope you guys enjoy me making it too, because I hope you guys enjoy me making it as much as I enjoy making it. Wow, that's a tongue twister. Yeah. Wow. Yay! I love this box. I got it yesterday and I spent all my gems. And I'm just going to use this. Woo! More sparkles. Hey. You are a girl. I like that. I like when they do that stuff. Yeah, I like. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry. Really didn't mean to do that. Give me best item, get the spike. If you don't win, you get a rare anyway. Wow, I don't do that. I'm just gonna say I'm recording because, like, I hate when people start like cussing on here. It's all like, I'm recording for little kids. I'm recording. So don't say I don't know. I mostly don't know what these people are saying at all. I'm sorry, people, if you're on here. It's true. Cause it like goes away. Give me best. I'm not doing that. I got scammed by that once. Just not doing that hat though. Does not go with my look. But I'm gonna wear it anyway. Cause I'm special. I'm a special snowflake. And today I'm gonna play best dressed. Okay, I'm gonna practice. So pretty much the goal for today is just doing different things. And the result, like, you want cheat and good stuff in that dress. I don't want to do that. I mean, like it's pretty rare stuff, but I just don't want to do it. It's not that amazing. I want that top hat for my look. So if any of you have one of those top hats and you just want to get rid of it, I'm not trying to force you into it. You can have it. Wow, I'm just like, give me it. Make them suddenly stop. Okay, so the reason why I usually play as this is this is the first member animal I ever got. So it's pretty much kind of my special animal, the one you play as a lot. So yeah. Please respect that, guys. It's my life too. Yeah. Cowboy. Throw up my head. Wear that. And then neck. That would be really mean. But okay, took a beard anyway. I'm sorry guys, I know Bubba's not really like this. For this. And next. No, this. And yeah. Yay! Yes, I've dressed my best. Sorry. So sorry guys. I've had that stuck in my head all night. So yeah. You probably, yeah, I just got finished talking to Stary. Oh yeah. And she says she can't wait to do the video and have her voice actually be clear, because one time we did a video and her voice wasn't clear, so we couldn't post it. We couldn't post it. Couldn't post it. So yeah. But this time we're gonna be right next to each other, so yeah. And hopefully you recognize our voices apart, or else that'd be really weird. Like, I'm Kyan and I'm Snary. Wait, which one's Kyan, which one's Snary? And if all of a sudden there's like an end of the clip, that's because we accidentally said each other's names. So just don't blame us for that. Us, the strangest. This. That. Next. Just this. Okay, I'm done. Okay. Everybody's gonna dress up like really funky now. But I think I'm a special little snowflake, so I make it through. And I win. Oh, ouch. You don't know what my cat just did. She literally just ran into me in my chair when I was in my chair. So like, yeah. It hurt. I like her. Oh. Oh, yeah. Cat fur everywhere. This is what happens when you let cats in your room while you're recording. There's cat fur everywhere. Mark my words, Harry Potter. No, I'm joking. Yeah, I watched Harry Potter, but like, this shit's a long time ago, so I'm just not going into it right now. Just suck the craziest thing. I can do this. I'm crazy, no doesn't do this. No, I'm joking. Medusa, neck, necklace, bag, a big bow. No, I don't want that. Yep. Legs. What's turn two? I'm just using that. I'm ready. Just your best. I don't like it when I ask. Except in some games where you're like, I actually pressed the wrong button and I quit. Dang it! And then it's all like, that's when you wish like the button you really want to quit's there. But sometimes I just don't want it to be there. So like, yes, I'm still recording. Good for me. I felt like I wasn't still recording, so I was like, Did they literally just copy me? You copy me. Meanie. You literally copy everything I did. And the winners. I got first place. Wow. I'm joking. If you're watching this, I don't mean it. I'm just joking around. As somebody would say it, I forgot who. Sam Gladiator, I think? Or just goofing and gaffing. And by the way, I am going to be starting a roleplay with Snary. A high school roleplay. And I'm also going to be doing another roleplay on Harry Potter. Yes. I am going to be smart. I got to be smart. The top of here and my legs. What are the other people? Oh, that's sad. Like, oh, I just want to wear this. Yeah. That's right, I'm intelligent. I have dressed my best. Sorry if I'm just pausing for a long time. I'm just like, I like it. Bum, bada bum, 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 bum. I'm just gonna do this because I feel like it. I feel like it. Do not judge, it's not nice. Actually, I judge all the time, but yeah, that's my decision. Yeah, I can't believe I did that. Okay, so guys, I'm probably going to end the video off here. I just won. And yeah. So I'm going to be, just to go over it again, I'm going to be doing 5 Nights at Freddy's with my friend, Snary. I'm going to be doing roleplay, Snary. 2 things. And I guess I will see you all later. Bye.